What if I told you that there are 3 simple ways to make over $500 per day with Google Maps? And look, you don't have to be a genius to do this. I'm gonna share with you everything that you need to know in this video, and it's super easy to get started. All you need is a phone or a laptop, and you can be making money from your bedroom or your house or wherever you're most comfortable doing it. So let's jump in and show you exactly how to get started with this strategy. As you can see, over the last 4 weeks, I've made $22,288 with these strategies that I'm gonna break down for you right now. Okay, so for the first strategy that we're gonna be talking about, we're gonna jump over to Google Maps and we're going to decide on a niche and a location that we wanna target. I recommend doing like a skilled trades type industry for this particular method that I'm gonna be talking about, because they will benefit most from what we're gonna be covering. Now, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be setting up what's called a missed call text back for the business owner. What that means is that not every business owner is going to take every single call that comes in. Like, they might miss a phone call once in a while. And what happens if, let's say I'm on Google, I'm looking for a plumber, I scroll through, I call Stewart's Plumbing, the phone rings, you know, maybe they're busy on a service call, maybe the receptionist accidentally missed the call, who knows what the reason is, but they didn't answer. What am I going to do as someone who needs a plumber? Well, I'm probably just gonna scroll down to the next person, All Pro Plumbing, and see if they'll answer, and if they pick up, then I'll probably go with them. But what if there was a way that if Stewart's Plumbing, when they called, if they didn't answer, a text message came back over my phone and said, hey, I saw you called, did you need a service call? You know, I'm really sorry I couldn't pick up right now. I was on another phone call, or I'm on a service call. Well, that would probably stop me dead in my tracks from prospecting more, and I would probably just end up texting them back or saying, hey, no worries, like, yeah, I have a leaky pipe or something like that, right? Okay, so this is a very powerful strategy, and this strategy alone can make you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per month, especially if you repeat it over and over again. So the way we set this up is we use a software called highlevelpages.com. Okay, here it is in my window, highlevelpages.com. Now, I will also have a free workshop in the description of this video, because there's a lot to set up in it. If you want to learn for free how to set it all up, I have a free masterclass that walks you through step-by-step how to set this entire thing up. Okay, but this one section that we're setting up here, if you scroll down under the settings tab of the software, you're gonna see right here, it's called missed call text back. And all you have to do to set this up, it's very simple. It's on the dashboard, you're gonna connect the Google Business Profile, and then right here where it says settings, okay, you're gonna click settings, and that's going to direct you down to that one section. Right here where it says missed call text back. You're gonna click enable, okay? And right here, this is where you type in that custom message that you wanted to say. So it could be like, hey, I'm really sorry I missed you. I'm out on a service call. Did you need help with something? And all we have to do from that point is save this, and that's going to happen every time someone comes through. They call, they miss the call, it's gonna shoot off a text automatically. That means they're going to get a lot more business every single month, because they're no longer missing out on that customer that, you know, they missed a phone call. And you can charge a monthly fee. I recommend charging at least $500 for this. Now, you can use PayPal, you can use Stripe to collect the money, or you can just do like a plain old check, have them mail a check in the mail. But this is a really good way to get clients started on a service that you can make money for every single month and utilize Google Maps for it. Okay, so now that we have one strategy for making money with Google Maps, I'm gonna show you strategy number 2. Strategy number 2 involves finding businesses that could use a little help with their optimization. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna help rank them in the top 3 here of Google. Okay, so if we come under here and we pick a business like tree trimming in Cedarburg, Wisconsin, you may have to spend a little more time with picking a niche that actually finds good businesses that will qualify for this service. And how you find that is you're gonna look in the top 3, and you're gonna look for businesses that, you know, they have room to optimize more. Like this one only has 4 reviews. So what I could do is I could go and look at who's ranked underneath them. Like this one has 3 reviews, this one has 2 reviews. And I could safely probably say that if I went and I helped either of these 2 businesses, took them on as clients, and got them a few more reviews, they would probably show up in the top 3 of Google. Now, of course, there are some other things I could do, like this one's actually missing a website. You can see how these other ones have a website attached. but L&H Tree does not have a website. So I could help build them out a website as well. I could also charge extra for that. So that's the other cool thing about the optimization service is I could charge an upfront fee of like $2,500 to $5,000 for the website and then charge them $1,000 per month to keep them ranked on the first page of Google Maps. So an optimization service is a great way to get started making money, and you can make well over $500 a month if you do this strategy. Now this strategy does take a little bit more work than the first one I showed you, but as you can see, the potential to make more money is definitely greater because not only are you making more upfront, you're gonna make more every single month. Now I do have a full masterclass on making money with Google Maps optimization, and I will leave that in the second link of the description of this video if you wanna check that out and learn more about it. Now speaking of reviews, that brings us into way number 3 to make over $500 per day with Google Maps, and that is Google Maps review management. Now Google Maps reviews play such a huge role in not only ranking, but actually getting customers to convert. Because let's face it, if you're looking at 3 businesses in Google Maps and one of them has a 4-star rating, one of them has a 2-star rating, you're probably gonna go with the business that has the 4-star or more rating, not the 2-star rating. So we can use that same software high-level pages to actually manage reviews. And there's a whole section under here called reputation on the left-hand side, where again, once you connect the Google Business Profile, you can not only manage all of the reviews and respond to them, you can also put a widget up. You can send review requests out right here by clicking this button up here and send out review requests via SMS or email, which is great. And if you do this at the end of every successful job that your customer completes for their clients, you're guaranteed to get more reviews, right? Just simply by asking for them. So this is another whole strategy where, again, you can charge $500 a month, get them set up on high-level pages, and get going with that. And again, I do have a workshop on high-level pages too, which will be the first link in the description of this video. So there you have it. You have 3 ways that you can get started that are really simple to make over $500 a day with Google Maps. All you have to do is go ahead and get started and take action. And again, if you need help with any of that, I do have those 2 free masterclasses in the description of this video. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Until next time, I am Paul James. Peace out.